Hi everyone, I'm Lydia, founder of Workflow Magic, a Platinum Money.com partner. Today, I want to show you something that can seriously simplify your internal support or customer service processes, especially if you're still using email threads or spreadsheets to manage tickets. We're going to walk you through how to set up a smart, modern ticketing system using Monday Service, which is Monday's newest product. It's designed to help teams manage incoming requests with ease. So, why Monday Service? Let's discuss the benefits of Monday Service and how it can help you. It centralizes all incoming requests, assign and track tickets across teams, communicate with requesters in one place, and collect real-time feedback automatically. It also gives you a branded customer-friendly support portal where users can submit tickets, follow up, and get updates without needing a Monday account. Let's walk through the 5 steps to build your service workflow. Step 1. Use the request management template. Start by selecting the request management template inside Monday Service. This gives you everything you need: a ticket board where submitted requests are tracked, a CSAT board for capturing post-resolution feedback, and a contact board that links tickets to the requester. It's a strong foundation that can be built on in minutes. Step 2. Connect your email channel. Now let's make it functional. Connect your support email, either a custom one like support at whatever your company is, or use Monday's built-in inbox. This turns incoming emails directly into tickets on your board, so nothing gets missed and you avoid the mess of managing support from your inbox. Step 3. Build and embed your form. Next, you'll create your intake form. Use WorkForms to build a branded form with fields like name, email, request type, priority, issue description, and file uploads. Then embed the form into your support portal so customers or employees can submit tickets without ever logging into Monday. This form becomes the entry point to your help desk. Step 4. Customize your support portal. Now let's make it yours. Inside the portal settings, you can customize everything: the portal name, colors, and even add a background image or a logo. You can group forms into categories like IT, HR, or legal, and control who has access, whether that's just an internal user or the general public. You can now embed external resources like a knowledge base article or FAQs for self-service. Step 5. Set up automations. To streamline the process, build automations into your ticket board. For example, when a ticket status changes to resolved, automatically move it to a new group and then send out a CSAT survey to the user. You can also set up notifications, status changes, and auto assignments to agents so that they can stay in the loop without any manual updates. Now, let's walk through a real-life example. A user visits the portal, selects the appropriate form, and fills in their ticket: name, email, issue type, and uploads. They can track their open ticket in the portal and reply directly to any communication from the agent. On your end, the ticket appears in the board, ready for triage. You assign it to an agent who is notified instantly. They respond from within Monday using the emails and activities column, and the user sees that replies right in the portal. When the issue is resolved, the agent updates the status, the ticket moves to the resolve group, and a CSAT survey is automatically sent. Once completed, the survey response is logged into your CSAT board, closing the loop. This setup brings structure, visibility, and automation to your support process. No more scattered emails or lost requests. Book a free discovery call with me using the link below, and let's build a Monday help desk your team will actually enjoy using.